So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to delete Monopoly Go account from Facebook. So it's step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So you can easily unlink your Facebook by going to the settings via the hamburger button right here. So basically from there you have to click the connect account. So here, when it's connected, just press it again and then the blue disconnect button will show up. So make sure to restart your game first, then log back in via guest account. So this should give you the option to link the new Facebook account, or you just want to unlink it basically. So make sure you just do that and then connect the account that is logged into your Facebook app for proceeding. So just press this and then basically to show disconnect button after that. Once it's connected, you can disconnect it too. So there you go guys, that is how you basically actually remove your Monopoly Go account from Facebook. So if you like this video, thank you for watching and see you again next time.